starting with numerical number 5.11. In summer season, a pendulum clock is regulated as seconds pendulum. So when they are talking about summer season, the clock is working as seconds pendulum. Means in summer season, the time period of oscillation is 2 seconds. Means one oscillation will take 2 seconds. And it keeps correct time. Okay. During winter, now they're talking about winter season. At the same time, winter season, the length of the pendulum decreases by 1%. So during winter season, the length is decreasing by 1%, means 100 minus 1, that is 99 upon 100, as compared to the length of the pendulum during summer season. How much will be the clock gain or lose in one day? How much time? So they are asking us about the time. If the length of the pendulum is decreased, so time will, अब length कम हो गया तो time ज़्यादा लगेगा clock को, कम लगेगा clock को. What is going to happen? They are asking. So let's find out. We have in one day we have 24 hour. 1 hour has 60 minutes, है ना? 24, it was 24 hour. So 1 hour has 60 minutes. So 24 into 60, 1 minute has 60 seconds. So if I'll multiply this, I'll get the digit as 86400. So there are this many seconds in one day. So there are 86400 seconds in one day. It takes 2 seconds for one oscillation. मेरे पास इतने seconds हैं. Means I have 10 chocolates. One chocolate is of 2 rupees. So how many chocolates can I buy? 5 chocolates, है ना? तो यहाँ पर इतने seconds है एक दिन में. And it takes 2 seconds for one oscillation. So how many oscillations it can perform? 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 0s are 0. Sorry, it is 8 6. 8 6. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 43200 oscillations. टोटल मेरे पास 86400 सेकेंड्स है एक ऑसिलेशन के लिए 2 सेकेंड्स लगते हैं. तो कितने ऑसिलेशंस परफॉर्म होंगे इतने सेकेंड्स में, वो हम लोग ने डिवाइड करके फाइंड आउट कर लिया कि 43,200 ऑसिलेशंस इट विल परफॉर्म इन वन डे. कौन? अपना पेंडुलम इन समर सीजन. ठीक है. नाउ we will see the formula of time period, that is 2 pi L upon G. So for summer season Ls, for winter season 2 pi under root LW upon G. Now I have two formulas, so I'll go with ratio format. 2 pi under root Ls upon G, 2 pi under root LW upon G. 2 pi gets cancelled, G and G gets cancelled. So Ts upon Tw, which is equal to under root Ls upon Lw. Now Ts, we are aware of Ts, that is 2. We don't know what is Tw. Under root Ls let Ls be as it is. Lw is 99 upon 100. 99 upon 100 into Ls. So this Ls and this Ls.
Now Ls and Ls gets cancelled. I'll take this in the numerator, so this becomes 100 upon 99 and this remains as it is. 2 upon TW, that is 100 upon 99. Now I'll take 2W in the numerator, TW. So if I'm taking TW in the numerator, TW upon 2, this becomes 99 upon 100. So 99 upon 100. After that, I'll write it over here. That is TW upon 2, 99 upon 100. So TW is equal to, I'll take this 2 over here. Let square root of 99 be as it is and remove 100 out of square root. So this is 10. Now square root of 99, I'll check for the square root of 99. Square root of 99 is 9.950. So 2 into 9.950 upon 10. So I can write it when I take this 10 in the numerator. 2 into 9.950 into 10 raised to minus 1. Now let's multiply. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. We have point after 1, 2, 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 digits into 10 raised to minus 1. So when I'll multiply this digit with 10 raised to minus 1, the point will shift to the left hand side. So this becomes 1.99 seconds. So this is the time period of the pendulum during winter season, that is 1.99 seconds. During summer season, it is 2 seconds. So as the length is decreased by 1%, time period also decreases during winter season. How much time will the clock gain or lose? This is the question. So we will not stop at time period. We will also have to calculate the number of oscillations performed by the pendulum during winter season. So we have seen that in one day we have 86400 seconds, and for one complete oscillation it is taking time as 1.99 seconds. So how many oscillations will it perform during winter season? So for that I'll have to go by log and anti-log. Log of 86400 minus log of 1.99. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 5 minus 1 is 4. 86 का 4. We will check for 86 का 4, that is 9365. 9365 minus before point we have 1 digit, so 0.19 का 9. Sorry, check for 19 का 9, that is 2989. 2989. So when we subtract this, that is 4.9365 minus 0.2989. This is 5. 15 means when you remove 9 we have 6. 8, then it is 7. Then it is 3, 6, 4.6376. So here we will calculate anti-log of 4.6376. So in the anti-log section we are going to check for 63 का 7 का 6. 63 का 7, and in that 6. 4335 plus 6, 4341. 4341. After 1 digit you'll put point into 10 raised to 4. So this is 4341. When you multiply this digit with 10 raised to 4, it is 43410 oscillations. Initially when the time period was 2 seconds, it performed 43200 oscillations, and now it is performing 43410 oscillations. Okay, so we have got 43410 oscillations. I'll write it over here. So during summer season, time period was 2 seconds. So oscillations in one day 43200 oscillations. Now during winter season, length is decreased by 1%. Time period is 1.99 seconds. So in one day, it is performing 43410 oscillations. So the gain in oscillation, in number of oscillation, will be 210 oscillations more during winter season. Now as we are considering it as seconds pendulum, be it summer season or winter season, we are considering it as seconds pendulum, so time period is 2 seconds. So the time taken for this extra oscillations will be multiplied by 2 seconds. Means one oscillation is for 2 seconds. So 210 oscillations will take how much time? 2 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 420 seconds will be taken by, 420 seconds will be the time taken by the pendulum during winter season. 420 seconds means if you want to convert it into minutes, it is simple, you divide it by 60. 6 7 is 42. It is 7 minutes extra time. 7 minutes is the extra time taken by the pendulum during winter season. Now if you see in textbook, here the number is 434417, but that is obtained by direct calculation when you divide 86400 direct by 1.99. But when you are going by log calculation, you will get it as 43410, not as 43417. So if you are doing this, then also it is right.